Simple interest is a pretty simple formula that is just PRT, principal times rate times time, with time always being stated in years. So in the one that you're seeing on the screen, it would just be 4,000, 12.5%, and 8 years. So it would be equals principal of 4,000 times the R, or rate, of 12.5 times 8 years, or $4,000. Oh wait. Okay, and checking the work, that is correct. It took me by surprise for a minute there because it was the same amount as the loan, but it was for 8 years. So 4,000 is what you would pay in interest over that 8 years. Okay, the next one is a face value of $235 at 11.3% discount rate for 50 days. And they tell us to use ordinary interest method, which is to calculate that over 360 days. Okay, so we'd first calculate the discount. Equals 235 times the 11.3% times 50 over 360. I'm going to format that cell for 2 decimal places. And so it would be, the proceeds that they would get would be equals 235 minus the 369. So 3.69, and the proceeds would be 231.31. Okay, the next one. Okay, in this one, we're going to do a face value of 16,800 and a discount rate of 10%. And the date of the note is June 3rd. And the terms are 80 days. And so the first thing they want to know is the maturity date. You can add the date by going to equals, clicking on the date, and plus, and click on the 80 days. And so the maturity date would be August 22nd. Okay, then we want to know the bank discount, which would be equals 16,000 times 10% times 80 days, and it's a simple, so divided by 360, using ordinary interest, so 360, and so format that to 2 decimals, and that's your discount. Your bank discount is 373.33. And then to get the proceeds, we have to subtract. So equals your amount you borrowed minus the proceeds, and it's 16,426.67. And check the work, and that's correct. So the difference between interest rate and a discount is that the bank discount is taken out to begin with at the beginning of the loan. So if you borrow 16,800, you're not actually borrowing that much. You're borrowing that minus whatever they discount it. Okay, number 4. And yours, remember, will be in a different order, possibly. Interest and maturity value. So on this one, 135,000, 7.7% rate for 18 months. And we need to calculate the interest, which is equals 135,000 times the 7.7 times 18 over 12. Always state it in years. And it is $15,592.50. So the maturity value would be the amount of the loan. So it would be equals the 135,000 plus the amount of interest, 150,592.50.